Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Revenge of My Lover, chapter 8. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Wenping and Xuan. Right now, Wenping, she came back to her home after the arguments with Xuan. Right now, it's getting late but she's hardly can sleep. She was thinking of what happening. Suddenly, the Yan family wants to invest. Now she thinks that the Yan family, why is this happen? Why Yan's house suddenly got interested on me? Well, it was really strange for her because of the Yan family, her mother suffering on her past life. Right now, seems that there's something wrong, that's why she really can't sleep. I just heard that the gossips that saying that the Yan family intends to invest in the drama you just auditioned. Oh, after hearing that, right now, she really can't help it. She really can't sleep. She sit up. Forget it. I can sleep now. Ping said to herself. Well, this girl thinks that she was really in trouble. That's why she really hardly can sleep. According to the memory of the previous life, script for today's audition, the script is very good. As long as the acting skills are decent, it's more or less will be better. She was holding a glass of water. Probably she wanted to drink, so she can able to sleep. Even if the Yan family joins, if the auditions of the drama is over, it must be accepted. Ping said to herself. Right now, she really can't help it but just to think about it. Han's family came just right. Maybe there's a chance to find out who hurt the mother. Well, right now, she was really eager to find the answer. Who is the one? Reason why his mother is hurt before. So boring. It was so boring. Humans are really boring. The devil said to the angel, what can you wait? It's only been a few years. Angel said to the devil. Well, it seems that they're really getting bored. Right now, the two of them still having a small talk. Sister, you're so boring. No matter how many times human beings still enter similar predicament because of their feelings. Well, maybe she was really right now. Something happened between Wenping and Shuangshang, right? Right now, the angel said, General, well, it was a mistake. It turns out, Devil will be checked out at this moment. Well, she should really focus on the game. Looking on the other side, Angel said, I believe it will be different. Well, maybe she was right. There's a little hope since Wenping and Xuanshang, the two of them granted being reborn on this world. They should really act differently, right? The devil said, what? What's the matter? I haven't said anything yet. Well, definitely right now, she was really scared on the sister. That's why she was acting rashly. Just suddenly appear in the world again. This happened and I didn't interfere with anything in the world. The devil said to the angel. She will be scolded, right? Since she didn't want to know the gossips. Now, the angel, she became furious and said, your presence is interfering. She was right. Devil, she should know her place, and she should not meddle off with the human world again. But right now, sister, my good sister, I was wrong. I haven't asked you to settle accounts for your rebirth of Wenfing. Oh, right now. She was asking why she really granted Wenfing for the rebirth. Sister, I said, I will not turn over the old accounts. Okay, you should obey the rules or you'll be found to be punished. Well, the two of them seems to be having fun, but with this commotion, of course, it's a little bit awkward. Sister, as long as you don't say it, how do other gods know? Now, looking at this girl, she was really too confident that her sister will not sold her out. That's why she was too confident to do things like that. I wish Yan Shuang good luck. Well, right now, looking at the two of them, seeing Shuang, the girl, the simple mind, well, of course, he might really wish this. At the office right now, Shuang. She was working in the office, but it seems that she's a little bit shaking. Well, what's wrong with her? Why suddenly she become agitated? Who is talking about me? Huh? Oh, this girl, it turns out, someone was talking to her. It really makes sense. Suddenly feels the goosebump. And it turns out, right now, she smells something. The strong perfume smells like Yan Anna, who came into the office. Well, what about her right now? Sister, Shuang Shuang, are you coming to work today? Well, definitely she was right. Her sister was here. Why suddenly her sister got interested on the office? Right now, Shuang Shuang, hold back. So she don't get angry. Well, let's see. It seems that she's trying to calm down. But seeing sister like this, of course, she seems to be agitated. Yes, I am just sitting here. But of course with a smile, to pretend that she was okay. Everyone in the room is whispering. Everyone was looking for them. Of course, it was the two sisters working right now. While some of the office workers are lurking around and looking at them. Young Anna, right now, it looked like she was really cooking something or plotting something about Shuang Shuang. She was really so eager to know who is the girl she's talking to. Well, definitely she doesn't know about Wenfing. Sister, why do you feel that you don't welcome me? Shuang Shuang said to her, no, it's my working time. Well, Shuang Shuang trying to explain to herself to her sister, but looking at her sister, trying to please her. But at this moment, she looks really mischievous. She might be plotting something against her sister. She looks really tricky, and also right now, are you doing whatever you want from your own company? Yan Anna said to her. Looking at this girl, she seems to be like acting. She was really good at it. Right now, it was Shuang Shuang. I go to the field work and the attendance mailbox has records. Oh, it turns out Shuang Shuang seems to be really working hard, dedicated to their works. Do you go to chase the stars? When I went to talk about business, I saw you chatting with the little idols. Right now, looking at her, she looks really mischievous. She was really targeting. Right now, it seems that, well, maybe. But of course, she was younger than hers. Maybe the people find it. Right now, looking at her, seems to be losing composure and also she's not calming down. At this moment, you should really need to don't laugh at her. Shuang Shuang, she was sighing. Said to herself, well, definitely she was right. Really acting strange also. Maybe if their fathers noticed it, she was really going to be punished. And being smart, she really recorded the conversation. Well, she was really great. Having records like that, it can really help her in the future. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!